Looking for a bedding set that combines comfort, style, and easy maintenance? The Madison Park Marina 8-piece printed seersucker comforter and coverlet set might be exactly what your bedroom needs. With its calming watercolor stripe design in shades of blue, navy, and taupe, this set instantly creates a peaceful atmosphere where you can unwind after a long day. What sets this set apart is not just its beautiful look but the thoughtful details that come with it. The textured seersucker comforter is lightweight yet warm, making it perfect for year-round use. Many users have found they no longer need an electric blanket thanks to its cozy warmth. Plus, the included coverlet with its channel stitch quilting adds versatility. You can use it alone during warmer months or layer it on the comforter when you want extra warmth. The 4 shams and 2 decorative pillows, featuring embroidered and pleated accents, complete the look, giving your bed a polished, inviting feel. Care is simple, too. The microfiber fabric resists wrinkles and shrinkage naturally, and the entire set is machine washable, saving you time and hassle. That means your bedroom stays fresh and stylish without any extra effort. If you're ready to upgrade your bedding with a set that delivers comfort, style, and easy care, the Madison Park Marina collection is worth a look. If you want a bedding set that feels like a breath of fresh air every time you walk into your bedroom, this is it. The combination of soft microfiber, serene colors, and practical design makes this set a smart choice for anyone who values both aesthetics and comfort. Try it when you're ready to transform your sleep space effortlessly.